What is good, guys? Welcome back to the Go-Getters channel. We just hit yay. Anyway, we just hit 460 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're trying to hit 500 by Christmas. Christmas is literally in like 2 days. So just 40 people. That's not a lot of people, yeah. So at 500 subscribers, we're giving away 2 Vans gift cards of $60. So yeah, about that button. Why is this? Anyway, this is Carlos. He has his own YouTube channel that he hasn't posted on in forever.
That is true.
We'll go subscribe to it. And yeah, let's get to the video. So what we're going to be doing is, it's so windy in the plane. See, there's that plane. Anyway,
we're going to be doing a Nerf war.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, so what we're going to be doing is 3 lives, honor system. 3
we got
lives.
shot, we have to say that we got shot.
Yes, sir. Now, what we're using is the Nerf Ultra Sniper, the Nerf Ultra machine gun, right? That's pretty much semi-automatic or something like that. I don't know what it's called. The Nerf's Rival Series shotgun, and then what is the other gun you have?
It's just a rifle.
That's a Nerf Rival rifle type thing. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, that was like the most dysfunctional intro. Ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I forgot to reload! Ah! No, my thing, come on! Oh, did I get you? No.
Come on, sucker!
Ah! Huh. Oh, you missed. Are you out of bullets?
Oh, this one, yeah.
Oh my god! I almost fell. Oh no! Oh! It's falling apart!
Come on!
Oh my god! I dunked it!
You got me 1!
I got you!
Yeah,
Let's go!
Hi! I saw I got you!
Well, you got me?
Yeah, I
Alright,
saw!
that's one. I didn't feel it. There's 1 each. Oh, let's go!
Wait a minute!
1 more shot! I got him! Let's go!
You ran over!
Let's go! Let's go!
I didn't know we could get out!
Oh my gosh, that was so...
Oh god!
My heart was racing. Bro, you jumped down as the bullet went over your head. I was like, bro, what? Bro, we have to see the tape.
Oh god. I saw you running over, I'm like, oh crap!
That was crazy. You saw what happened. I literally pushed.
He ran out.
I was like, I have to push. The sniper always works. Like, I end up running out of bullets in the shotgun and I don't know what to do, so I just run.
He hit me twice in the head with the sniper.
Yes, sir.
And there goes my barrier again.
Alright,
great.
So we're going to fix that and let's get into round 2. Alright, let's go. Alright, so commence round 2. He has like an automated He has like an automated rifle, bro. Like if your gun needs batteries, that's OP. That's okay. All right, ready? Starting round 2 in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ha!
get you?
No.
I thought it went through.
I keep going over your head.
Oh! It went right over his head!
Come on! Come on, little boy!
Ah! Oh, the brick fell off my head! Yeah!
I blocked it with the gun!
He did! He blocked it with the gun! Got him!
My shoulder!
Got him! Yes! Oh, got him!
Got ya!
I got you 3 times!
You hit me twice!
I hit you here, and then I hit the gun.
I'd say we call that a tie.
Fine, that was a tie. On to round 3. Whew.
We're gonna do the next round.
Don't do that! Alright guys, so it's 1-1 right now. We're doing best of 3. This round we're gonna make it a little bit longer. So it's gonna be 4 lives. We're gonna do 4 lives. Why every time we start the thing, a plane passes over? I don't understand it. This is a miracle. Stop it! Alright. So we're gonna do 4 lives. Again, honor system. Again, my plan is to like, we have a bunch of these inflatables. My plan is to have like an open field, and we just have a bunch of these filled up, and it's like you just have a massive Nerf war. So, Nerf, if you're watching this, sponsor your boy. All right, let's go. Ready, set, go.
I almost shot myself.
Oh my. Oh, I got one! I got one!
On the top of my head.
Let's go. Oh my. Did I get you?
Oh.
Oh my god. Alright, if it hits something first and then hits you, it doesn't count. Did I get you? Ah! Oh. Let's go! Let's get it! Let's go! Wait,
You got stuck.
I got you.
Oh god.
I'm kidding. Ow!